What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. And in today's video, as you can see from the title, is a crochet headband wig. Yes, like what is up? So I first saw this from my girl Leah Levine, the crochet queen. I saw this on her channel and I was, oh my gosh. So I already had this hair, this Aruba curl hair by Freetress, and then I went to the beauty supply, my black owned beauty supply, and I found this braided wig cap. And oh my gosh, like this was so easy, you guys. I don't even know if I want to try installs on my own hair anymore. If you guys want to see how I created this, just keep on watching, because y'all, this is, I mean, look at this. Okay, y'all, so this is the braided cap that I use, and when I saw Leah Levine's video, I was like, ooh girl, let me try this. So I found some old crochet hair that was in my closet that I was going to do for a regular install, which is Freetress's Aruba curl, and it took me a minute to get the hang of this. So for the install, what I did was went through the top of the braid on this cap instead of going through the bottom, because the crochet needle that I did have was super duper thick, and it's the needle that I usually use for my braids or locks. So you'll see, like, my method, I went through the top of the braid instead of going through the bottom, which was different. It was really different doing this. But what I did notice, what I should have done, was split the hair and spaced it out more in the back and filled it up a little bit more towards the front, because in some spots you can see the braid. So yeah, that's probably what I would have done differently. So in the back, I did take out some of the braids and split the hair and put them in spots where there were big spaces. But I do recommend this, y'all, because instead of doing the regular crochet like on your hair and worrying about putting on a satin cap, y'all, I snatched this mug off at night and that's it. It's so easy. It's so much more convenient. Like, I will still do my normal installs though, but yes. Now on here, when I got towards the front, I tried to go ahead and I tried to do a invisible method, but it looks crazy as hell when you use a thick piece of hair. So if you do the invisible method, just do one piece of hair. Now here, the invisible method was so much more easier. I, for some reason, cannot get the hang of it on my own hair, but I think I only did a few of them with the invisible method, and I was like, okay, whatever. I'm throwing on a headband over it, so why do I need to be doing it? But this is how I did this. I just pulled the hair. I didn't pull it underneath the braid. I pulled it like through the hair, and then that's how I did it. And I just knotted it maybe 2 to 3 times, not too many knots, because I plan on like alternating between this and my other wigs, because y'all been wearing headband wigs for like 2, almost 3 weeks now. It's lovely. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just me showing you how I did the front. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And then this is me just showing you what it looks like. Peace out, y'all. Thanks for watching. Alright, y'all, so I got the wig all completed. I think I put a little bit too much hair. Like towards the end, I took some out and I split them. But that's probably what I should have did from the beginning, because this is like a whole full out wig. But let me take off my old one. I mean, it's cool. And then this is a Aruba curl. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. I need to fix some edges though, baby. And I got these off of Amazon. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one. These are my favorite. Oh, that one that I got is definitely stretched out. Let's see. I was gonna fluff the hair out, but since it's already so full, I am not going to do that. And yes, like as y'all can see, it is so full. I'm gonna work with my edges And then I'm gonna come back on and show y'all what it looks like. But so far, this is what we got. I put a little highlight in it, girl. Yes, this is what it looks like. What y'all think? I love the highlight in there. This is my first time trying a Ruby curl. I was gonna try a Ruby curl as a full install on my hair, but after working with it and making this wig, I don't think I'm gonna go that route. And there are some spaces in my head because I didn't want it too big. But who gonna be standing that close to me? Like 6 feet apart, okay? So
bag. Give me 6 feet.
oh, so yeah. So I like it. So you know, I like it better. I don't like that. I'm gonna put it back how I had. See, this is why I'm gonna put it back how I had it. And then I could like cut it and shape it. Cut it a little bit because it's full. Like this is what it looks like. I used 4-pack and I didn't need that much. You know, like this could look like, yes, y'all, this could be a full install. But let's throw that back on back there. I think I'm gonna trim it up just a little bit more, but oh my gosh, like this is cute. Look at the highlights. Like, let me get closer. I fixed my edges. I'm not the best with edges, but y'all, I literally have been wearing headband wigs for 2 weeks. Come home, I throw them on if I want to take some pictures or whatever. When I go out, get some groceries, come back home, I snatch that mug off and throw a bonnet on my hair. Hello, that is it. I am feeling this so much. I'm loving these headband wigs. Like they're all the rave right now or whatever. But this headband right here I've been wearing forever. I've got it off of Amazon. But all the products I used in this video, I will have linked below. I thank you all so much for tuning in to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hit subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.